Hey there, folks.
Today, we're going to tackle a pretty significant task in our GTO conversion project, removing and replacing the old floor pan.
So, let's dive right in.
First, we'll need to remove all interior seats, belts, and carpet. Using our impact driver, we gently back out each bolt. Once all the bolts are out, it's time to remove the seats. Now that the seats and carpet is out, we prepare for lifting the body off the frame. Now, let's take apart the front end by removing the hood, fenders, and anything that might prevent the body from lifting up off the frame. If we need to repair rust by fabricating some patches, we'll do that. Over on the back end, we remove the bumper with a snap.
By doing this work, we've not only improved the car's appearance, but also strengthened it and ensured it'll stay in place during our next GTO adventure. Happy modding, and see you in the next video.